coach is talking about Kobe Bryant. So one day, Kobe Bryant's girlfriend was at the court. Okay. So the coach asked Kobe Bryant's girlfriend, so what is it like to be a Kobe Bryant's girlfriend?
Yeah.
Right? She's like, it's like every day after basketball match, you go home and you watch Michael Jordan clips. That's what it is to be Kobe Bryant's girlfriend.
Imagine.
Because you're so obsessed, you don't know anything else.
So
from morning till night, you're training for yourself.
Exactly.
After going home, you're watching for entertainment. You're watching Michael Jordan play.
So that's what my wife says. You play football the whole day and you come back and then watch football again. What is wrong with you? But that's what it is.
And that's what the obsession does to you.
So motivation, discipline, obsession. ये सारा इन तीनों चीजों से आता है. See, motivation can make you go there to that place and okay, fine, I want to start doing this and मैंने करना है and I'm going to be able to do it. And then your discipline is something which makes you do it. Okay, ठीक है, I have to do it. And obsession is, I can't do without it. I have to fucking do it. Otherwise I'll die. I have to obsess. And the ones who make it are the ones who make that obsession part of their normal life.
But you know,
because see, motivation हट जाती है थोड़ी देर में, फिर discipline आता है.
और लेकिन इंडिया में बहुत difficult है. India by inherent हमारी society ऐसी है. Our society is such that we de-incentivize obsession to become number one in any field.
Very true.
Because we are like, okay, hey, you know what? You're great at math, but you should do this as well. Oh, you should not be obsessed with this thing. Or let's say, if you're great at this thing, then you're like, oh, you need to be great at family relationships as well.
Don't keep all your eggs in one basket.
Yeah.
कि हमारे यहाँ फेल हो गया तो कहाँ जाएगा? अच्छा, अपनी फैमिली वालों से बना के रखना है रिलेटिव से. क्यों? क्योंकि साले कल तेरे को कहीं निकाल दिया, कुछ चाहिए होगा, लोड पड़ेगी तेरे को, फिर यही होंगे. क्या मतलब यही होंगे? मेरे को नहीं जरूरत है इनसे रिलेशनशिप इसीलिए रखूं कि कहीं मेरी किस दिन लगी तो मेरे लिए होंगे. नहीं, किस दिन मैं आई वांट टू बी सो बिग, किस दिन इनकी लगेगी ना मेरे पास आएंगे. फिर वो रिलेटिव में तब भी है, ठीक है, मैं ख्याल रख लूंगा. What do you mean by saying इनसे बना के रखो इसके लिए? In India also they say, oh, you know, this is for development. This is Goras, the failed coaches from outside, and all these rich clubs. Oh, you know, we don't win any medals or this and trophies and all because this is for development. To development. What are you teaching the kids, that it's okay to lose? I'm talking about 12 to 16 in India. All the academies, because they lose, they say, and they've got Gora coaches and they've got even these big coaches, and they all say, this is the time for development. We should not be thinking about winning or losing. Oh, damn well you are. You're teaching, you're coaching them to be losers. You're telling them it's okay to lose. It's not okay to lose. It's never okay to lose. It's a habit. See, you have to be in a habit. It has to be part of you. It's not okay to lose. I'm saying I won't lose. See, I'm saying I won't lose to my 2-year-old son and my dad, man. How can you say it's okay to lose? आजकल participation medal देते हैं. Oh my God. For showing up. No, man. We have to make people who have to understand that winning is the only thing. Because we don't win. You are not winners. You are being a loser and you're saying, oh, it's okay to win. That's being stupid, man. You'll never win. So you've got to bring up kids who know that they can take on anything in the world. And that is why you make them have fun till 12, so they're not actually fun. Basically, what they're doing is they're trying to show the kid, okay, these are the sports available to you. What do you like the most? What do you love the most? What do you think is the best sport? Like all my footballers, there are 7 sports available there. So on the off day, they cannot play football. They have to play either TT or badminton or volleyball or something like that. So why? Because you learn so much more from other sports than your own sport. And a different area of your brain opens up because you're out of your comfort zone.
Yeah.
And I believe you only grow out of your comfort zone. If you are, see, I tell them, so these campers come for 1 or 2 months. So school people don't know. So when they come, they say, I say, if you're feeling comfortable here in the first 5 or 6 days, then I'm not doing my job properly. You only grow out of your comfort zone. That means you better be uncomfortable and only then you'll have growth. So if you think Minerva is a place of luxury, it's not at all. And it's a place of making sure that I push you to your limit. That means, so I tell my boys that, listen, if I stop abusing you or pushing you or I'm after you, that means I've given up on you. I am only pushing you. And if I'm really, suppose you are the one I'm picking on the most, you're the most luckiest guy, man. Because I really think that you can go really far. And you're not doing justice to your potential. And my job is to make sure no potential talent gets nurtured, no potential gets wasted. So I'm going to push your ass. And if you understand that, And don't think, see, I am not here to win an election. I don't care if the kids like me or not. I don't care, because if I was a politician, I wanted their vote, yes, I would care, and I'd be diplomatic. I will never be doing that. I'll be telling them on their face, this is what you need to do, and you suck right now, and you do this, and you do this, and be very, very open with them. Only if I'm horrible to them now will they be pushed to a state where they can excel later, because they don't even know their own limit. I don't know their limits. And I said, the day I stop pushing you, then you better go from the academy, because that means I think you've reached your potential.
So there's this similar rule in Navy SEAL, right? It's called 40% rule. That you don't let your people quit. The moment somebody wants to quit, it's like they've not given up. It's just they've reached 40% of their potential. There's still 60% life inside them which is left. So you push them beyond when they want to say
and that's
quit.
where the never leave a man behind comes from. Because suppose he's just bowed and he says, no, I'm just giving up. No, you don't.
No, you can't.
You can't.
You can't,
No,
right? So you do something similar. And like when your boys want to quit, you're like, no, you can't quit, right?
No chance.
And so first is...
So before I come to that, so I'll tell you. I tell them, so we have the dreaded hill where they have to run up a hill where Thyra bands with the other guy who's actively trying to pull him down at the same time, and he's wearing ankle weights and a weight chest on top. So he's got 40 kgs on him plus a 50 kg guy pushing him down, and he's running up a hill. So I said, how long do you have to do it? I said, if you want to vomit, till the time you vomit. After that, wipe your face, start again. If you by any chance faint, I'll put water in your face and start. If you die, then I'll leave you. I am not kidding. That's how hard I am. Why? Because I've never been there, man. This is the dream of 1.5 billion people in this country. And I'm damned if I'm not going to get it because you're a lazy ass. Or you don't want to achieve your potential. Or your talent because you're getting it for free, scholarship. That's why. And if you don't want to do it, get out. I've got other people. Because it's not your dream anymore. It's India's dream. And I've devoted my life to it. I can be earning, see, if I've got 200 boys, I'm spending 5 lakhs on each, 10 crores. I can be having the best time of my life, man. I don't need to do anything for the rest of my life. Because I've made my name. If I don't have this thing, and I just have, okay, fine, I'm just going to teach people. And I'm not going to have any results-oriented thing. All the people will come to me.
And there's a scientific way that you push your kids, right? You were telling me about lactic acid and blood work. So, explain me that. Tell me that.
So when we do the blood work, so number one, when they do the entire blood profile, we know exactly what proteins, what carbohydrates, what they exactly need. Then when we are giving them, that is according to their body weight.
So supplement vitamins you're giving.
Carb loading is done before their matches. So we're giving food may be carbs. So like noodles or rice or whatever, but even bananas. So we give them enough carbs so their body is primed with full of energy at that time to make sure that they are fully energized. Then after that, even protein is given according to the body fat percentage and amount of weight they have per gram, 1 gram, depends on weight loss, weight gain. And then we do lactic acid test. That means I have a machine which, while they are playing in the match, either in the hydration breaks or halftime, I test them, and it's like a blood thing. So it's like that diabetes thing, but except it's a prick, and you test it immediately, and you come to know what lactic acid you have. So I know exactly how tired you are. Doesn't matter what you are telling me, what your RPE is, rate of perceived exertion. So that's according to the athlete, rate of perceived, what he perceives it to be. Forget the perceived, man. I will know exactly what you are. I will know what your lactic acid is, if I flushed it out properly or not, and whether you need a change. And then we do glucose monitoring. So what they're using here, so they have a little
CGM.
patch here. Yeah, exactly. So I know exactly at that time how much glucose you have, blood glucose. It's got nothing to do with diabetes. It's got your energy. What is blood glucose? Glucose is the energy level in your body. If you're going to go down, I know exactly who needs a very high spike, more electrolytes, more glucose, or who's okay. And if I give him a higher spike, he'll have a crash immediately after that thing wears down. So it has to be maintained in that level. We do that. Then we do Helios. That means it's a laser machine which measures your reaction time and decision making. Then my advantage is an Armed Forces Academy. I bring the Special Forces training manual into it. We take from that, and we, other than box breathing, we give pain mind over matter. So I will give you a demo after this here. Suppose भाई मेरे पैर में पेन हो रही है, अब मैंने पेन किलर खा ली, मेरी पेन खत्म हो गई है?
नहीं.
ना, सिर्फ the signal going to the brain of that pain is
वो
finished.
suppress हो गया.
तो जब वो पेन किलर वेयर ऑफ होएगी तो पेन दोबारा आएगी. Now, logically speaking, an outside chemical has been able to control inside my body those neurons which are making me have the feeling of pain. If an outside chemical has been able to control it, logically speaking, I should be able to control it on my own.
Agreed.
Logically. Who else can do it? एक तो हमारे बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क्स अपने आप को आग लगा लेते हैं, बैठे रहते हैं. You've seen those photos? और our ऋषि मुनीस, they at 5,000 meters -20 नंगे बैठे होते हैं. They're frozen. Beards are frozen. They're not feeling cold. Who else in India can do it? Our special forces. Oh my God, they're trained in such a way that they can just shut their body off. Mind over matter कहते हैं इसको. That means you shut everything off. Nothing ever matters. Imagine if you can do that, if you can control your brain. जो मैं कह रहा था ना, what I've been trying to do. So one of my boys now who was that time a major in the SF, Special Forces, he told me, sir, आप सबको बताते हो कि be better than yesterday every day. तो सर आप कुछ खराब करके दिखाया करो, बोलने से काफी नहीं होता. कैसे करोगे आप? मैं कहा मेरे को नहीं पता. कहता I was taught this technique and we use it and it is very successful. Mind over matter. So you know what lactic acid is? Okay, so where do you want me to give the demo? You know what lactic acid is? Lactic acid is produced in your body when you're overworking a muscle. It's your muscle's way of giving a signal to your brain that you're working it more than normal.
Yeah.
It might sprain, strain, rupture, whatever. So stop.
Or you puke.
हाँ, वो दर्द होती है आपको, जलन होती है. So जब हम when we go to the gyms, we don't put, suppose मैंने bicep लगाने हैं और मैं 100 reps लगाने हैं, तो मैं 100 reps इकट्ठे नहीं लगाता. या तो मैं उसके 6 सेट बनाता हूँ, 15 के, 20 के, 25 के, whatever, and I do it set by set. If the weight is correct, तुम्हारा अगर वेट करेक्ट है तो लास्ट रेप ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि लगना चाहिए कभी वेट ही नहीं उठाया जाएगा साला ये, because it just drops. And then you wait for 30 seconds or 45 seconds and you're able to do it all over again. But is that your limit which you just stopped? No, you're just losing to your brain. Why do you think you overeat? You oversleep? You do things which you're losing to your brain every single day. Imagine if you have the power to control that. So, you know what squats are. So, squats are basically me sitting on this chair, but there is no chair. That's a squat, yes? So, this is a squat. So, what will happen, Abhi, while we are talking? थोड़ी देर में there will be lactic acid which will be produced in my legs. और थोड़ी देर में लेग्स में जब आएगा, जैसे अभी आ रहा है, तो मेरी बॉडी मेरे को पूछ रही है कि क्या कर रहा है साले, पॉटी कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है तू ये, भाई उठ क्या कर रहा है तू ये. आई एम टेलिंग माय बॉडी शट अप. आई एम ट्राइंग टू गिव एवरीबॉडी अ डेमो ऑफ हाउ टू कंट्रोल पेन विद माय ब्रेन. माय बॉडी सेइंग ठीक है यार जल्दी कर ले. आई एम टेलिंग माय ब्रेन शट अप, नॉट इवन लिसनिंग टू यू. अच्छा और क्या हुआ था? आई एम वाचिंग अ मैच, आई एम डूइंग दिस और आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग टू यू. Not paying attention to my body which is screaming out in pain, because that's the reaction which has been given to the body. अब मेरी बॉडी कह रही बहुत दर्द हो रही है, मैं मर गया मैं. And I'm saying shut up boy, I am your master, you are my slave. बहुत दर्द हो रही है मेरे. Shut up, I am your master. Your body will abuse you.
Yeah.
Shut up, I am your master, you are my slave. I can sit like this for 1 hour. अलग बात है कल पॉटी करने बैठूंगा उठा नहीं जाएगा, because everything will going, but I can. Raj, I can make all of you in your office right now sit like this for 1 hour, and I'm not talking about motivation. Motivation doesn't do fuck all, okay? If I make you sit all of you like this right now, और यहाँ पे रखूँ मैं 12 इंच का चाकू, so if you can go beyond your limit, then your life is threatened by this much. Why can't you go beyond your limit by this much every single day? Because to be a world champion, you have to go beyond your limit with this much every day. Beat yourself. So कितने पुशअप करने हैं? 100, 200. अभी कितने करेगा भाई? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. एक और लगा रहे भाई. 11. तो कल को क्या लगाएगा? 3 महीने में कहाँ पहुंच गया? So if you're better than yesterday every single day, like this much, you become a world champion.
Nice.
How to kill pain with your brain. Then after doing all this, we have ways of coming to know, because we've got sports psychologists, they've got actual battery of psychological tests, proper battery of tests which they will come to know your stress levels, your anxiety levels, your this levels by asking you different kind of questions and you marking numbers down. These tests are not the tests made by us. They're tests made by psychologists all over the world and very, very like, very, very authoritative people who made those tests for athletes. Then armed forces, when I say comes in, CPSS, Computerized Pilot Selection System. If you want to be a pilot in the Indian Air Force, you're given the test once in your life. If you fail it, you're never going to get it again. I have the same machine because the guys who designed it for them, one of our boys. So we have that and we use it with my players. So their reaction time is according to what a fighter pilot is. So they, at the same time, they are able to come to know whether there's a light, color, sound, plus samne and hand-eye coordination with the joystick and with the pedals. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and scanning 5. And they do that. So what am I trying to do? Am I going to beat the best? No, I'm going to get an advantage of 0.5% because no kids in the world are doing this. Even Barcelona is not doing this. And I'm doing this. Why? Because I have it. And why not? This is where we Indians are great. Technology. The cheapest people, I mean, you hit a patthar maro software engineer pe girega. So this is something which they all clubs in Europe have. The software professionals or the data guys or the scientists or the doctors or the physios are all Indian. They're working in Premier League clubs. All of them. So why are we trying to do that? See, you and the ones who are creating the world-class athletes are who? Indians there. See, you and the ones who are creating the world-class athletes are who? Indians there. And the ones who are running the finances are also Indians. The ones running the admin are also Indians. So when you've got that entire structure here, then you use it here. And that is why we've been doing that very consistently. In fact, for example, suppose it's your off day. See, एक तो होता है ना पैसा होए तो बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. तो हम अपना क्या करते हैं, हमारे को off day पे you are tired, we're giving you rest, but I'll give you balloons. तो balloons फाड़, ये ले मुंह में फाड़. I'm going to time you now. This is a 5 रुपए वाला बड़ा वाला balloon आता है. फाड़ इसको by just करके टाइम दे कितना फाड़ेगा तू इसको. तुम्हारी लंग्स की फट जाती है. And then you have to cut that time down again and again. कितनी देर में फाड़ेगा? So without you, I am not working on you. You are on rest because today is your rest day. Lungs को किसने कहा rest देना है? So on that day, on the off, there's nothing on off day. Then what do? Sports psychology on off day. What do? They see videos of themselves being analyzed. So there are 6 cameras which follow them in the field. Not 1. I have 6. Because I show them exactly what. See, people learn in different ways. Some people learn better by looking at their own mistakes. Some people learn better by looking at others. Some people learn better by listening, some by watching, some by seeing. So we do all the cues. So obviously listening, watching, learning, वो तो coaching में आ जाता है. But watching yourself, for example, how I speak and how I look, I don't know unless I see the mirror. And the moment I see mirror, I must be saying, I might be looking like an asshole. Yeah, why do you take your mouth so much? The same way, you don't even know what you look like when you're playing.
Yeah.
And an AI camera knows VO cameras. They follow you. So you don't have people sitting there. They're automatic cameras which follow you. Now, how much money does it cost? Trust me, it costs less than one foreign striker of yours. All these things. All these things. Why do you think I keep on ranting that I'm so pissed off with all these clubs? Because it's because of them I'm here. If they had done their job properly, I won't be needing to do this. Simple. We Indians have not done our job properly. When we say Indians, I mean Indian football clubs whose only responsibility was to build the future and they have just talked about their present. That means title jeetna humne. Is saal.
Tell me a routine of one player.
Depends on the
Minerva.
Tournament. So this is
let
all.
me the big tournament. Let's say the big tournament you're getting ready for all these European clubs.
So we are okay. Let me tell you now. So like the new dream and the new aim, which is even higher than the last one, and takes care of the problem कि अगर वो ना खिलाएं तो क्या करोगे? कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So 36 में मेडल लेके आऊँगा. क्यों नहीं मेडल लेके आऊँगा? नहीं तो क्योंकि यहीं पे ओलंपिक्स में हो रहा है. यहीं अगर इंडिया में हो रहा है. Guaranteed India will make sure their best boys are representing them and they will make sure with our vote. That I know. So 11-12 साल की उम्र के हमारे so 2000 born in 2014 and 15 are the ones in 34-35 who will be 21 and 22.
Okay, tell me there. Like the
so
team that you're getting
for the
ready for the Olympics.
Now they're going on 7th to the Helsinki Cup and the Gothia Cup. This is the World Youth Cup, Sweden mein. This is the first time these boys are ever going abroad. They are now. I'll give you an example. They are sleeping for around 120 minutes on 5 occasions. 2 घंटे सोते हैं 5 बारी.
ये दिन भर में.
हाँ, रोनाल्डो का जो प्रिपरेशन होता है, डू यू नो योर स्लीप साइकिल, REM स्लीप साइकिल कितने देर का एक साइकिल होता है? 90 मिनट का. सो 120 मिनट में भी टेक के तुमने सोना भी है, तुमने उठना भी है, तो मतलब एक स्लीप साइकिल हो गया तेरा. ह्यूमन बीइंग एक्चुअली नीड्स 1 स्लीप साइकिल. ये तो 200 साल हुए हैं हम ह्यूमन बीइंग्स को 8-8, 10-10 घंटे सोने की बीमारी पड़ी है. हम पेड़ों पे रहते थे यार. ओके, वी यूज्ड टू हैव 1 मील अ डे, एंड दैट आल्सो इफ वी हंटेड दैट डे और गैदर्ड, हंटर एंड गैदरर्स गैदर्ड दैट डे. एंड सोते कहाँ थे? पेड़ों पे. क्यों? गिर जाए तो. और कितनी देर कितनी यू स्लीप फॉर 8 hours व्हेन यू इन द वाइल्ड? नो. So human bodies have been designed in a way that you can sleep for 90 minutes and you get the entire night's thing. But the maximum recovery happens when you're sleeping. Repair happens when you're sleeping. New neurons are made. New cells are made. Everything is done. I understand that. And that's why we do it for 10 hours. That means we sleep for 10 hours. But for 5 different occasions. Because every sleep means you're refreshed and you can work out again. So how many sessions do I have for the kids? 4. Are they all physical? No. If I have a session when I'm showing you analysis session, is as good. If I'm putting you in the pool and it's hydrotherapy, that means we do that a lot. Why? Because in hydrotherapy, the gravity is not working on your joints and you're not getting tired, but you're actually getting the same exercise. So it's great. So if there's a hydrotherapy session, morning gym session, evening session, and there'll be sleep, this food, sleep, this food, sleep, this food. ऐसे करके. How many meals? 5. How big? Small. Itna.
So 5 training sessions.
4 training sessions.
4 training sessions.
5 meals, 5 times sleeping. Now, why? Because when I go to this so preparing for the competitions, when I go for Gothia and for Helsinki, in my pool, there are 152 teams from 32 nations. Okay? In my group, I have 6 teams. There are 40 groups or 30 groups or whatever. So जब पहले मैच के बाद जो pre-quarter knockout 32, quarter and semi-final happen on the same day. In the morning, afternoon, evening. I'm preparing for that.
It happens for everybody. All the teams.
Everybody, all the tournaments I've won. So when I won those 4, I was in the final of the one, traveled the next day. Next day, first match happened from Helsinki to Sweden. First match happened. One, did the whole thing. Second last day, won the pre-quarters, quarters, semis, and final, biggest score in the history of football there in Sweden. Went to the next tournament, played the thing. 1 day before the final, pre-quarter, quarter final, 3 matches. Again the final, 14-0. Then went to the next one, did the same thing, reached the final, did that. Why? Because I prepared for it.